Here's a 2017 Toyota Highlander. Go see everything you wanted to see in the vehicle you want to be seen in. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Of the Highlander, Motor Trend remarks, cabin emphasizes functionality and is geared towards families with its adjustable seating arrangements, 60/40 split second row seats, and a large center console bin. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.